Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initially Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to message someone on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app first. Okay, then in this front section you can search for your friend to whom you wanna message. So I'm just choose a person randomly. So if I go for this person, then you can see a message option here. If I select um, anyone to in this for you section, so go for this person and you can see there is the message option here. Then you can write whatever you want. You can add emojis, you can add media from here, and so this is how you can message someone on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.